Hey everybody, Mitch here. Just wanted to check in really quick. I just got done on stream and had a minute before a work call here. We talked about the shape of the day, why from the pre-market plan. I kind of was thinking we were going to settle near the 77.25 SPX, 77.50, 55-ish area on ES. And on the stream, I mentioned the idea of kind of a do or die spot for a long, and how at the end of the day, what's going to happen and why this is kind of the key strike to watch into the close was if you're under this, it compels you to a lower balance. That's also kind of buffered because of the overall gamma environment. So you have to think about the combination of time to expiry, which is this blue line when our race is over, right? And everything else about the dynamics of how price moves up or down and the influence of market makers as those things happen or do not happen. So this idea of the shape I was pointing towards of this, if you're not under it, you're over it, where does it compel you back to, is why I took this particular option trade and why, at the very least, a scalp with a decent stop loss that could turn into something more was a decent trade. That's more like probably a 2R, 2.5 hour trade if you took that. On NQ, it probably got you more points because of the volatility, but on ES, that's like a 2.5 hour trade. So risk 10, maybe make 25, right? So that is something that we talked about on the stream. And obviously I've only been off for like an hour, but as you can tell, in that subsequent hour, we have basically done exactly what the probabilities said we would. Absent some stronger active flow in the market, we are going to be compelled to drift back towards this balance. What's unique about today is if we get a bid in the market, we can move right past this. And this entire environment above there being negative gamma means that if we get a strong bid, we can absolutely go further and faster than we otherwise would have. So I encourage you to watch back today's stream. Everything we talked about was all kind of foretold about our potential. We've got about an hour and 40 minutes before the market closes. Do we pin here? Do we actually get that exploration higher? Do you see volatility start going higher as spot moves higher? All the things we talked about on stream are kind of happening today, and really proud of that. So if you guys want more information, YouTube, Rake Trades Network. We live stream every day at 11:30 Central. Hope to see you tomorrow.